Catalogue. Can you send me your latest catalogue, please?
Competition. Competition is not so strong in overseas markets.
Competitive market. It's difficult to succeed in a very competitive market.
Core business. The core business is in Western Europe.
Domestic market. They have always done very well in the domestic market.
Factory prices. We supply the hotel trade at factory prices.
Item. I would like to order these items for my gift shop.
Niche products. Niche products can sell well in certain markets.
Overseas markets. How about developing the business in overseas markets?
Price list. Could I have a look at your price list, please?
Range. We have a wide range of lava lamps.
Representative. I would welcome a visit from one of your representatives.
Sales brochure. I don't think I have your latest sales brochure.
Samples. We send samples to our potential customers.
Specialise in. We specialise in girls' clothing. Stock. They don't stock that product anymore.
Target market. Their target market is girls between 16 and 25 years old. Trade customer. Our trade customers get a large discount.
Wholesale business. We are growing the wholesale business in the UK.
After-sales service, call centres, dissatisfied, loyalty cards, quality, refunds, reliable, repeat business, satisfied, unreliable.